12 out of the mid now, 12 out of the mid now, 12 5, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, you're going to do 13,000, now 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 5, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Our next lot is number 294. It's a HAAS Mini Mill number 2, year 2009. We'll go ahead and cycle it for you. I'll let you see everything in action. You can see it's a nice running mill. Number 294, good luck. Hope you get a great deal.
You're at 9, don't raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10 5. 10 5 to the mid, now 10 5. 10 to the mid, now 10 5 to the mid, now 10 5. 10 to the mid, now 10 5. 10 5 to the mid, now 10 5 to the mid.